Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to be doing page 34 in your math workbook, which is the colored pages, and I made a copy of mine, but you just need to make sure it's page 34 in your color paged math workbook. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be continuing making 3, 4, and 5. We will be working on this lesson for about 2 weeks because it is super tricky as a kindergartner, and we definitely want to make sure that we understand it. So if it's becoming a little bit challenging for you right now, that's okay. We're going to have plenty of time to work on it because, like I said, we want to make sure that we are able to understand it because by the end of all of these lessons, you're going to go all the way up to making 10. So we're starting with 3, 4, and 5 right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using my yellow and my blue marker. You can use a yellow and blue marker, a yellow and blue crayon, colored pencil, whatever you may have at home. But I would definitely try to use yellow and blue. If you don't have yellow and blue, that's okay. I would just choose 2 different colors to use. I'm going to be making the first train for you, the cube trains, and then you're going to be making your own way. If you need help from an adult, that's okay. But one of my things I always tell my students is you're always going to start with the color that they have first. And I just do that to make it easy for you to remember. So I'm going to start with my yellow every single train cube. So if you wanted to do that, that would be just as great. And I always start at the top. So I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to work my way down. So an example of this would be I am going to draw or color in one of my cube train cubes yellow. And I am making 3. So I'm keeping that in mind. So I'm going to have one yellow for 1, and then I'm going to pick up my blue, and I'm going to color my other 2 cube train cubes blue. Okay, so I have 1 yellow and 2 blues to equal 3. Okay, so on this one, you're going to make up your own. So an example of that could be 2 yellows and 1 blue, or maybe all 3 yellow and no blue, right? So you're keeping all of these things in mind when you are modeling them, okay? All right, so I'm going to move on to my number 4, and I'm going to pick up my yellow first, and I am just going to color 2 of my cube train cubes yellow. And 2 of my cube train cubes blue. So I have 2 yellows plus 2 blues equals 4 because I know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay? So, oops. Oh, went over the line a little bit. All right. So for this one, when you could be modeling it, you could be doing it however you would like. Maybe 3 yellows plus 1 blue, 4 yellows plus no blue, maybe 1 yellow and 3 blues. Our goal is to create as many different ways or think of as many different ways to make 3, 4, and 5. So this time on my last one, I'm going to be making 5 right here. Okay, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to show my way by making 3 yellows. And then I will have 2 blues. Okay. Thanks, Patty. All right, so I have. Wish I could do more, but it's okay. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm so sorry. The joys of live recording. I'm not going to start over. I'm just going to keep going. That was our custodian. She came in to empty some recycling bins. So once again, I'm so sorry for the interruption, but just feel like we're okay. We're making all things work right now in our school year. So I'm very sorry. But I did 3 yellows and 2 blues to make 5. So once again, you can create however you would like to do on this side. Maybe 4 yellows, 1 blue, 2 yellows, 3 blues, 1 yellow, 4 blues. I think I already said that. However you would like to do it. All right. So this is your math worksheet, page 34. If you have any questions, I will be on the Google Meet tomorrow or today at 2:05. Thank you. Have a great day.